Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, today we are going to discuss how to install VirtualBox in Windows 10. For that, guys, we can type Oracle VirtualBox. You'll get a link on the top, Oracle VM VirtualBox. Just click on that and you can see the version here. To download VirtualBox 6.1, you can click this version. So it will ask you for Windows host, Linux distributions, etc. I'll be downloading for Windows. So I'll click on this. As you can see here, when I clicked on that, it started downloading the VirtualBox 6.1.26. It is already showing that I have already downloaded it. But anyway, I'll show you the installation. For installation, you have to click on it. It will ask you like this. You have to click on next. You have to proceed with the installation. Since I've already installed, I'll show you how the VirtualBox looks like. Oracle VirtualBox. I'll drag it to the screen. I've already installed Mac OS. If you want to add a new OS, you can click on new. You can add any OS. If you want to add Linux, you can type Linux OS, and you can see the type of OS if you want to be installed in a virtual box. For example, if I choose Linux, it will show you the version which to be installed. If you want to install Mac OS, just I have installed it here on the left hand side on the screen. I just write a Mac OS and I can select any of the OS. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you have liked the video. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.